And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 181. Now let us check out the minimum filter. Press Ctrl J to copy the original. I go to filter, other, and there it is. And it does the exact opposite of the maximum filter. So the maximum, it enhanced the white spots and suppressed the darker ones. The minimum does the inverse. So if we increase it, we get more and more darker spots, and they are gonna get expanded. You can make them round or squared. Let me find a good position here. Maybe on the arm. I left click on the image and then we have it in a preview window. You can see it's round, and if I switch it to squared, we get these typical square pixels. For most images, if you confirm, it's gonna add a little bit of intensity after it was processed. You can see that here. Looks a little bit different now, so keep that in mind when you apply it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.